Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome to Kick Auto Expert YouTube channel. Inshallah, today we are setting the AC bloor, AC pan of Nissan Sunny 2012 to 2020. That is the Nissan AC air condition bloor AC pan. First, we open the screw and turn into down. You can see we turn it into down, then we take it. That is the blower of Nissan Sunny AC blower, AC pan. If we turn, if we open the AC and it start, that AC blower give us air. Nissan Sunny 2012 to 2020. You can see that blower we put there down, and later we turn to up or turn to up. You can see that we set and we turn into off. Another time you can see we set, we fit it and turn into up. Nissan Sunny. If you have near here, if you have new, please subscribe my YouTube channel for all information about car, engine, timing, built, timing change, everything you want. You can ask from my YouTube channel. Inshallah, I give you all answers. Thank you for watching.